I got my NICS check back after 1 full day. I started my NICS check Friday morning and I got an email Saturday night telling me to come pick up the gun, so I picked it up on Sunday. I got it home. I actually been having this firearm on my radar for a long time. I say for about 6 years. I'm very fond of Beretta. I actually, when I was in the military, I had the Beretta 92, I think it was FS, I believe. It was a hammer fire. However, I never actually bought one of my own. I always wanted this Beretta, which is the PX4 Storm, because I like the way the barrel spins, and I also like the way it shoots super smooth. But I've been buying striker fire handguns. However, I really like the Beretta, so I finally picked one up, mainly because of the way the permit system works in my state of New Jersey, that it takes me in my town about 6 months to get a permit. So usually I try to make it count, and I bought other firearms, mostly Glocks. I bought SIGs. Let me open it up. All right, let's see. All right, oh, look at this. Look at that. I just like the way this felt. This one actually have a safety on it. It's not a decocker. I might go with the Cougar, do that little mod. I'd see how I feel with this one. As you can see, it's empty. Nothing in the chamber. Came with 2 mags, of course, 10-round mags. Boo! But it come with different back straps. Probably see. I'm pretty sure this is a medium on there, and then they probably have a large and a small. I might try out a large. This is it. Come with a lock. Don't need that really. So yeah, it's pretty straightforward. It's simple, real simple. They got some stuff over here. Looks like it has some booklets. All this stuff. Trees are dying. Oh, you got a little cleaning kit. Nice. But yes. Nice. That's it. Can't wait to get this to the range. Probably go to the range this weekend. Put a few 100 rounds through it. Burn some money up. Oh, see how they do. All right, there you go. There you go. See how it feels. With the safety on. Safety off. Oh, there we go. Look at this. Hammer. There you go. All right. Oh, I like that feeling. In full. So what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to use this right now. This is going to be my home defense firearm. I'm going to replace my Glock 19. My Glock 19 was my home defense, but it also one of the firearms I have on my carry permit. So I'll probably carry the Glock 19 in the wintertime and leave this one in the house. But yeah, I can't wait to shoot this guy right here. So that's about it. Thanks for watching. Check you on the next one. Peace.